A mind that has been brought under control is, indeed, the only true source of happiness. But to master your mind, you need to know more about how it works. So what is this mind? When you see a pleasant form, a friend or a relative, a feeling of happiness arises, and you think, what a joy to meet them. This is mind in one aspect. Another is the feeling of outrage and fury that might arise when you see someone who dislikes you and accuses you of stealing or being dishonest. All such reactions are just thoughts, but once they arise in your mind, they can expand and give rise to further thoughts, becoming very powerful. Once hatred arises, it may increase to the point where you are ready to kill. Once attachment and desire are kindled, you may soon be ready to do anything and give every penny you have to get whatever it is you desire so much, whether it is a woman or a man or some other object. Look at what is happening, and you will see that it is all just thoughts, and nothing more. Everything you perceive is like that.